The Uniden DashView 40R. 3 cameras, 1 dashcam, giving unparalleled coverage of most of your vehicle through front-facing, interior and rear-facing high-resolution cameras. The ultimate smart dashcam, with Sony Starvis sensors and smartphone-enabled for fast transfer of footage. In addition, there's a 2.85-inch wide-angle colour screen for video playback and menu function. Smart and with a sleek modern design, the DashView 40R is the latest in Japanese quality, engineered for Australian conditions from Uniden. State-of-the-art dashcam technology means all incidents from around and within the vehicle are recorded day or night, whether parked or when driving. Capture the facts, not an opinion, as and when they happen. The DashView 40R features a 4K front-facing Sony Starvis sensor camera with a 130-degree wide-angle viewing lens, while a full HD rear-facing camera with a 140-degree wide-angle viewing lens ensures action from all around the vehicle is captured and recorded in high clarity. In addition, an interior full HD cabin camera ensures nothing is missed, with a 120-degree wide-angle viewing lens capturing action inside the vehicle, giving added peace of mind for taxi and Uber drivers. Outstanding low-light sensitivity and night vision means you'll always have quality footage. And loop recording means you never miss an event. Parking mode adds peace of mind, knowing that an inbuilt sensor detects sudden vibration when the vehicle is stationary and the engine switched off, triggering recording. And with camera warnings for both speed and red light, you'll ensure you are never over the speed limit or running a red light. The DashView 40R is quick and easy to set up and comes with a micro SD card to get you started. It includes a host of features that make the DashView 40R ideal for any driver. Capture the facts as they happen with the DashView 40R from Uniden, leaders in in-car smart technology. Visit uniden.com.au today.